Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Family in Islam, seek advice. One night, a man was fast asleep after a long day of work. In his dream, an angel came to him and said, "You will live half of your life while you are rich and comfortable, and you will live the other half of your life while you are poor and troubled. Which half do you want to live first?" He thought for a moment, but still felt unsure. "I need to ask my wife for advice before making a decision," he told the angel. You see, he and his wife would always consult each other before making important decisions. The next morning, he told his wife about the dream. "Which one do you think I should choose first?" he asked her. She suggested that he ask Allah for the easy part of life to come first. He agreed and took her advice. From that day forward, the man and his wife lived a rich and comfortable life for many years, and they would always thank Allah for giving them so many blessings. They even decided to share their wealth with the poor. As the good times were coming to an end, the same angel came back to his dream and said, "The time to live in comfort is almost over, but since you and your wife were thankful and generous, Allah wants you to also live the second half of your life in comfort and wealth also." The man woke up and rushed to share the good news with his wife. They were both filled with joy and would go on to thank Allah and help the poor more than ever before. He turned to his wife and thanked her for giving him such good advice.
عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر.
And seek advice for important matters in your life.
Prophet Muhammad has said,
"There is no regret for the one who asks for advice from the right people."